Hey kids, it's Marcy again, and I'm going to continue with the bear stories. This one's called Bear Snores On. Looks like he's going to do one of my favorite activities, which is sleeping. All right. Ooh, some snowy pictures. Look at that. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Do you see him sleeping in there? Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. I've been known to do that. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. Look at him, just sleeping. Oops. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. You think that's his friend Mouse? Mouth squeaks, too damp, dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. Look, he's making an itty bitty little fire. It must be this small, and Mouse is only this small, and he's making a little fire. Itty bitty. The coals pip pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Look at him sleep like the fire's just as big as his little claws. Big claws. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And Hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Oh, look, there's popcorn. That's a fun snack. Mouse sips, wee slurps, Hare burps, big burps. But the bear snores on. Bears can sleep a long time, huh? A badger scuttles by, sniff snuffs in the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." Ooh, nuts. Nuts and popcorn. And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. And they're not very respectful of his sleep, are they? You gotta be quiet when people are sleeping. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Look, there's all the friends. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters wren, and everybody clusters in the great bear's den. Oh, that fire is really big now. Look, used to be smaller than Mouse, and now it's bigger than Mouse. You better be careful. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Look, they're having a big old party, and he's just sleeping. Maybe he's fake sleeping. You think he's fake sleeping? Hare stokes a fire, Mouse seasons stew, then a small pepper fleck makes the bear, uh-oh. What does pepper do to your nose? Achoo! It made him sneeze. He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. Oh! Uh-oh. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and snarls, bear roars and he rumbles, bear jumps and he stomps, bear growls and he grumbles. Yes, bears do not like to be woken up. "You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I've had none." And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. He's upset that they had fun without him. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Oh, what a good friend. We can keep partying. That's what he's saying. We can keep the party going. Little party animals, that's what they are. Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, bear can't sleep. Uh-oh. Now he can't go back to sleep. But his friends snore on. Oh, look at his face. Yeah, man, I just want to go back to sleep. But look, they're all pooped. Gosh. Let your parents sleep a little extra sometimes, okay, kids? Be good. Love you.